Well, good afternoon. It's a what is it? Thursday afternoon, and it's already a little bit late, but we got a little project going on. Received the package today. It's in this box right here. It's the saddlebags from Viking. Viking bags. That's for that bike right there for the Street Bob. That's the Street Bob, that's the Heritage, that's the Vikla, and the one over there, that's the Road King. So the ones we're gonna work on is this one right here. Let's check out these bags. All right, let's see what we got here. They say they're really easy to install, so I guess we'll find out. The only thing that kind of is not what I wanted is I can't retain my removable sissy bar with these bags. So, oh, this is neat. See how they got the cutout right here for this. So, let's see. We need to find out where the hardware is. Empty box. Bracket. Instructions, hardware, that's it. Wrong one. There's only one bracket. I wonder why. All right, I had the bracket on backwards, so maybe I should have read the instructions, but what the heck. You learn by your mistakes, I guess, huh? Anyway, let's put it on. The right side here is right here. From what I understand, all you have to do is, there's this little lever here. You move that, and it should just clip on. There, it's on. And get the lever. There, it latches back on there. Put a little cover on there, back in there. And let's zip it up. Oh, hey. That looks pretty good. I think it's good. I think they're good bags. They're easy to remove. Just undo the latch, or the little latch inside there. Which is, where is it? That's the extender there, I believe. Oh, here we go. No, that's the extender. These extend out pretty good, so there we go. This right here, this latch, and it's on there tight, but just move this lap and this should come up, but I'm not gonna mess with it. It's staying on there. There we go. That's locked in place already. Now, there should be pretty easy to open up, but I think they look good. I was debating on what kind of bags to get, but these are good. I do need, well, on these bikes you do need to have some sort of storage capability, and I think by far these are the better bags, I believe. I did get take the what do you call it, the little swing arm bag I had here. I still have it. I put it away, so let me put these back on there. Or Well, there they are. Viking stealth bags. I think they look pretty good. Let me get up a little bit closer shot here. This is a 2022 Street Bob 114. I got this, well, what, 4 years ago now? And I've been doing a little bit of upgrades to it here and there. Anyway, installing is, I mean, easy. Just take the bolts off, put the new ones on. The only thing that kind of sucks is the docking hardware I have is for a Harley Davidson sissy bar, the short sissy bar, and that's where I would put my I have a bag that goes on the sissy bar. Well, it holds on itself on the sissy bar. The thing is, I can't put the sissy bar with this hardware. I had to get rid of that docking hardware so I could install this for the bags. But I think the bags look okay. I mean, there is a bunch of choices out there. I decided to go to this. I didn't want to put, you know, something that wasn't going to look cool. I've seen a couple of the bikes with these style bags, and I mean, it looks good. I mean, it'll fit the bike for what it is. Right now, I cut the grass or whatever's left of my grass, and there's all sorts of grass on the bike, so I gotta clean that up. I haven't used the bikes all week, so I took the truck to a car show last weekend, and these have been sitting for at least a week and a half. I haven't ridden any of them at all. Anyway, that's the Viking bags. They're 60L. What the hell did I say they were called? Anyway, Viking bags. That's what they are. Installation is very easy. I mean, it took me longer to gather all the stuff and take the things out of the box than to actually do the installation on it. I think it's good. I probably won't be needing the sissy bar or the other bag. In case I do need the other bag, I could figure out a way to latch onto it. They did send this other bracket here. I wonder what it's for. Some sort of spacer maybe or something. I don't know. But what I do like is I didn't have to relocate the tail lights. Both tail lights stayed in the same place, and they got these really nice cutouts here. I was gonna put a light in the center, and I'm still thinking of putting a bigger fender on this, kind of like a newer, like a heritage fender on there. It'll drop down, not all the way down, and it'll be a little bit lower than that. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I do appreciate you watching them. Tell me what you think of my scooter here. 2022 Street Bob 114. It's a little hot rod, let me tell you. Check out the video I did when I installed the SB Concepts 2-in-1. That's a good exhaust. That's a really good exhaust for it. So anyway, again, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Either way, I would like to hear from you. Let me know what you think of my scooter here. Have a good rest of the evening. It's already kind of getting dark. It'll get dark here in a couple minutes or so. Anyway, have a good rest of the evening. Be safe, and we'll see you next time.